Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 67 Chevelle. There is a 1969 427 under the hood of this baby, and that's an upgrade in my book. She is beautiful, man. Love this color blue. Just as slick as can be, and that metallic just as straight, laid on there, nice and flat, looking beautiful. I'll tell you what, this is one awesome car. Now you can see that the grille, the bumper, all the finishes are looking good, and there's that 427 badge right there. Man, this thing is beautiful. When you look down the side, straight as an arrow. Body man did a beautiful job. It's got a good looking set of Cragars on it, and I do believe those are aluminum Cragars. Really, really sharp. Some brand new BFGs. All the body gaps are looking sweet, and check out the blue interior. Isn't that beautiful? I've already been out driving this car, and this car just drives phenomenal. You can see they even put the 427 in the floor mats there. They didn't want to forget about it. Tell you what, when you step on the accelerator on this thing, you won't forget it's got a 427 in it. You can see the upholstery on the seats, front, back, top, and bottom, all looks good. We got great looking seat belts in the back there, and the kiddies are gonna have to buckle up because Dad's gonna throw them around. We got a great looking headliner, the dome lights working, just all the finishes in here. I mean, it looks like a brand new 1967. Look at this. Look how nice and clean all that is. The rubber's all new. She is beautiful. You can see down that quarter panel, straight as can be. All the emblems, the taillight bezels, the bumper, the back side of the deck lid here, all looking sweet. And again, we got that 427 moniker right there. Isn't that looking sweet? Let's pop open the trunk. I got 4 keys here. Oh, look at that first try. There's even a spare tire in here, and it's a red line. Isn't that sweet? Now, whenever you're buying one of these cars, make sure you pull up that floor mat and take a look at that trunk floor. Look at that. She's beautiful. The wheel well looks good. Bottom side of the deck lid looks good. Always check the lips here too. Again, the water would run down, especially when there was a chrome strip, or this is actually, I think, anodized aluminum. That water would hang up in there and rot the bottom of these out. So that's one thing you need to check out on every car. You can see down in here, all the finishes are nice and clean. We got great looking rubber here. You look down that passenger side, just as straight as the driver's side. Absolutely beautiful. Now, we don't do consignment here at Vanguard. We own all our cars, so we spend the time and check them out before we buy them. Then we're gonna put this baby up on the lift and we're gonna show you the bottom side. And I'll tell you what, the bottom side of this car is just as pretty as the top, all painted up, looking good. Now, you're watching us on YouTube right now, and if you want to check out several more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a cool car like this one in. Let's go for a ride in this beautiful car. I'll tell you what, this is one sweet machine. Love these cars, love the color, love the big block. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Wait till you see this baby on the lift. Bottom side of this car is just as pretty as the top side. This is an amazing machine. I tell you what, the attention to detail on this car is phenomenal. And we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-9 974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful car. Now let's listen to it. Man, that sounds good. I tell you what, I'm ready to go to drag strip right now. Now we can help you with financing. We can deliver it anywhere. You can call Tom anytime. All you got to do is give us a call. And that big noise was that semi truck, by the way, pulling away from the dock. Take a look at the dash here. Everything is beautiful on the dash. Got extra gauges here, beautiful chrome. Got the tachometer there. Looks like the speedo's working under there. Love the steering wheel. I love these old school steering wheels. Man, it's cool. Now, we're close to the airport here in Detroit, so if you want to come visit, we'd love to have you. You know that we sell about 95 or better percentage of our cars sight unseen. So we love to have our customers come in, check them out in person. Listen to that baby. And if you want to send an inspector, you got no problem showing the car to your inspector. Just do us a favor, make sure you call, let us know you're coming. We got a lot of square footage, we got a lot of people and a lot of cars. So it takes a lot of organization. Now we're coming up on the shop right now. We're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can see the bottom of it. We do that to every one of our cars here at Vanguard. And we have a whole team of mechanics here. So if you'd see something you'd like a little different on the car or any one of our cars, just call Tom, talk to him. We can do anything to a muscle car you may want. So stick with us. All right, we're underneath this beauty now, and I tell you what, she is beautiful. Look at that tank. Look at the paint job on that tank. Paint job on that tank is as nice as the paint job on the top side. Even the paint job on that cover there, looking sweet. It is a 12 bolt. 373 gear in there, and you can see that exhaust has been completely coated with jet coating, looking sweet. It is a Posi unit in there too. You can see aftermarket Hotchkiss lower control arms and upper control arms. Of course, the bushings are new, the shocks look new. Everything under here is beautiful. Even the paint job on the drive shaft is beautiful. Now, the frame is really beautiful. Look at that paint job there. And it's got those extra braces on it that all the SS's had, except those are aftermarket ones. You can see it's jet coated up here also. New brake line going front to back. Looks like new parking brake cable. New fuel line here. Turbo 400 trans. It is not the original trans to the car, but it is similar to what would have been in the car originally. Long tube headers. They're also jet coated. Looks like stainless lines going to the trans for the cooler. The torque converter painters. The torque converter cover has got a paint job on it. Can you say that 3 times fast? You take a look at this cross member, it's beautiful. The lower control arms are beautiful. They got new bushings in them too. It's got coilovers holding up the front, so it's got brand new shocks, brand new coilovers, disc brakes up front, new backing plates here. Steering gear's all painted up, radiator's aluminum, front frame horns are straight as can be. Front bumper looks like it's brand new. I mean, everything about this car is amazing. Now the tires look like they most likely are new. I don't see a lot of wear on them. We got two 35, 60, 15s up front. As you can see, the rocker moldings look good. And I tell everybody, I always check out the bottom sides of the front fenders. I always look at a pinch weld, and I always run my hand across the back side of the rocker. It is clean as can be. I tell you what, a lot of these cars are all rusty. This is one beautiful car. 255/60 15s, and again, these Cragar wheels. Now, these are the aluminum style Cragar wheels. You can see Cragar stamped in them right there, baby. And then look at this. The paint right down to the bottom edge is looking sweet. Now, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 427 block. It's a hydraulic cam. We got an Edelbrock intake. It's all aluminum looking good. We got a Demon 4-barrel sitting on top. It's a dual feed and electric choke. You can see the HEI distributor back there. And then we got a 6AL spark box here making the spark. You see that firewall's all nicely painted. The inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. We got a brand new Delco battery in here, and we got a gigantic aluminum radiator. It's got a big cooler for the trans. You can see that it does have manual brakes, and it does have power steering. Those valve covers are all chromed up, looking sweet. We got a fuel regulator down here coming off the fuel pump. We got a chrome line going to the carburetor there. Everything on this baby is looking sweet, and those big tube headers, man, do they look good. Now guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.